Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So
Good morning.
yesterday we are studying about that means simply the terms which we used in trigonometry here, and also you learn the different measurement of angles such as degree measurement and radian measurement, and also you see that yes, radian measurement of an angle is constant, and you find the relation there. 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So from that you see that if you want to convert any degree into radian, so you have to multiplying that angle with pi by 180, and if you convert any radian into degree, so you have to multiplying that by 180 by pi. Okay, and also you derive a relation in between the length of arc. Okay, and there you see that angle theta is equal to L by R. Okay, and L by R, and also that theta is measured in radian. So first of all, we have to solve the questions completely based on that which we discussed on yesterday, and then we go to next further topic. Okay, so your first question is here I speak questions, and you write it, and then we have to solve one by one. eh? So your first question is convert the following into radian meters. Your first question is convert the following in radian meters. Okay, so note it. Yes, your first question is here 25 degree. 25 degree is angle is given, and you have to convert it in radian. So what you do? You have to multiply that by pi upon 180. So do it. 25 pi upon 180. Yes, so you can write it in radian. That be it in radian. Okay, and yes, cancel it. So what you have? 5 pi upon
36.
yes
36.
36 radian. So that be 5 pi upon 36 radian. So in this way you can simplify it. In the same way, sometime your degree measurement is also expressed in a form of minute and second also. So what you do in that case? Yes, first of all, you have to complete entire, that means angle which be given in terms of degree. That means if the degree and minute is given, so you have to convert minute in degree, and if second is given, so you have to convert it one by one a second, and then it be converted into degree, and then you convert in the form of radian. So just solve such type of question also. Yes, second question, minus 47 degree 30 minute. Yes, that way. Minus 47 degree 30 minute. You have to convert that in radian. So what you do in that case? Yes, here the minus sign is here. 47 degree, so there is no any problem for degree measurement. So here you have 47 degree 30 minute. So right here plus, yes, 30 minute can be converted into degree, so you have to divide it by 60, and understand, so it be converted into degree also. Understand? So yes, simplify. So that is minus 47 degree plus 1 by 2 degree. 1 by 2 degree. Okay, and yes, simplifying it. So what you have? Minus 4 7 ja 2 7 ja
47.5.
and here you have 4 2 ja 8 1 9 plus 1 divided by 2 degree. Okay, you have to write in this way, and is also equal to 95 by 2 degree, and you have to convert in radian. So multiplying it by 180. So in this way, it be converted into radian, and then, yes, simplifying it. So if you cancel it, so here you have 19, and here you have what, 36. Yes. So
95 by
your final answer is 19 pi upon 72
70.
radian, minus 19 pi upon 72 radian. So that is your answer. Okay. So in this way, you have to convert it step by step. So I think it be clear. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
so your next question is, convert the following radian measures into degree measures. Convert the following radian measures into degree measures, and convert the following radian measures into degree measures. And your first question is 11 upon 16. 11 upon 16 radian. Here you have given 11 upon 16 radian is given. You have to convert it in degree measure. So what you do, you have to multiplying that complete quantity by 180 upon pi. So write it, 11 upon 16 into 180 upon pi. Now, yes, putting 22 by 7 in place of pi. Yes, put it. So that is equal to 11 upon 16 into 180 upon 22 upon 7. So that 7 is in numerator. Yes, cancel it. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja, and this be also, you can write here 90, and yes, it be also cancel out. So 15 4 ja and 15 6 ja 90. So finally, what you have, 42 upon 4. So here you have 42 upon 4 degree. Finally, here you have 42. Oh, 42. Just check it. Some terms here left. 11 2 ja. Uh, 11 here we cancel from 11. So 11 2 times, and here we cancel it. So here we have 90, 15 6 ja, 15 4 ja. So 42 and 42 by 4. Okay. So here you have 42 by 4, and yes, simplifying it and check it, what is your final answer. Or here
10.5.
just wait. 11 upon 16 is there, no? So 11 upon 16 into 180. Here you have 7 divided by 22. So that be cancel here. So it be that means 2 times, और 4 से cancel करो इसको, तो 4 4 जा 16 and 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, yes, you have to write in this way. Here that is some wrong, you know.
15 by 8.
7, yes, 7 5 ja 35, and 28 or 3, 31. You have this way.
31.
Yes, 315 upon 8 degree. Okay, 315 upon 8 degree. Now listen how you express this degree in minute, second, and all that. Okay. So here you see, here you have 8 and 315. Okay. Yes. Start dividing. So how many times? 8 3 are 24. So right here 24. 11 minus 4, that is 7. Here you have 75. 8 9 just 72, and you have 3 remainder. Here you have 3 remainder, which is less than 8. Which is less than 8. What do you mean? Means the degree, that means portion is completed. So if the remainder, that is by dividing, if the remainder is lesser than the divisor, you have to write here degree. Understand? If the degree section is going on. Understand? Now what you do, in this remainder, you have to multiplying by 60. Multiplying by 60, and it becomes what? 180. Now you again divide it by 8. Understand? Yes, start. So 8 2 just 16, right here 16. Yes, 2 remainder. So here you have 20. So again 8 2 just 16. 8 2 just 16, and your remainder is here 4. Remainder is remainder 4. Okay. So again you have lesser remainder. Yes, mute your sound. Mute your microphone. Yes, so the remainder is 4. So what you do, again here you write here minute. So the 22 minute is there. Okay. So write 22 minutes. Understand? Now again this 4 is multiplying by 60, and you have 240. You have 240, and again if you divide it, so you have 8 3 are 24 and 0. So you have 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds. So your final answer is what? 39 degree 22 minutes 30 seconds. So you have to write in this way. So write it 39 degree 22 minutes 30 seconds. Yes, write the steps of division also. Write the step of division also. So I think that we completed. Okay. So if the radian measure is given and you have to convert it in degree, you have to complete express that radian measure into degree, minute and second. Yes, in the same way, second part, convert it minus 4 radian. Minus 4 radian. Yes, second part, minus 4 radian. Convert that in degree. So minus 4 into 180 upon pi, and that be written minus 4 into 180 into 7 divided by 22. So here 2 times, here you have 11 times. Now multiplying these two. So 360 into 7 upon 11, or you have minus 2.
2520.
2520 divided by 11 degree. Here you have complete degree. Understand? Yes. Express in the same way. Yes. 11, and here you have 2520. 2520. Yes, start. 11 2 ja 22. Here you have 3, so 32. 11 2 ja 22 again. So you have 10 and 0. 11 9 ja 99. Okay. So here you have 1. So that means remainder is lesser than divisor. So write here degree. So you have 229 degree. One remainder here. So you multiplying 1 with 60. So 60. You have 60. Now divided. So 11 5 ja 55. And again you have remainder 5 which is lesser than that divisor. So you can write here 5 minute. You can write it 5 minute, and again this 5 is to be multiplying by 60. So you have 300. You have 300. You have 300. Yes, and divide it again. So 11 2 ja 22. You have 80, and 11 7 ja 77. So the remainder comes out 3. So here you see that on dividing, that is in the step of a second, the remainder 3 is lesser than, that means this one. So if the remainder is 5, understand, or more than 5, in that case, what you do, the 27, that means second part is to be increased by 1. Okay. Otherwise, you have to, yes, write it as it is. So here you see that remainder is 3. So write it here 27 second. 27 second. Okay. So your final answer here you check it. So you have 229 degree, 52 minute and 7 second. So write it. So here your final answer you can written in this way: minus 229 degree, 52 minutes and 52 minutes and 7 seconds. 7 seconds. So that is your answer. So in this way, here you see that if you want to convert it in degree, you have to divide it in this way. And oh, sorry, 27, 50, not 52. 5 minutes, 22 seconds.
Yes, sir. 5.
Yes, 5 minutes, 22 seconds. 5 minutes, 22 seconds. So I think it be clear. No. Next question. And you also know about that if you applying the formula theta is equal to L upon R, where L is the length of arc and R is the radius of circle. And in that case, theta is expressed only in radian. Okay, theta is in radian. So the question based on that, yes, you note it. I dictate here. Find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. If its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. So that is your question. So just see what is given and how you solve it. Okay. So here it is in this question. Here it is given. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swing if its length is 75 centimeter and tip describes an arc of 21. Suppose here, suppose the pendulum describes like an arc. Yes, in this way. Okay. And the arc length is given as 21 centimeter. That is L. L is given 21, and it describes like that in this way. Okay. And the length of the pendulum, which is given as 75 centimeter, which is taken as the radius. So if any pendulum swings here and it is moving to and fro from this mean position, so you well know that that portion gives the radius. Yani ki the radius of the arc becomes 75 centimeters. So you can write r is equal to 75 centimeter. That is given, and you have to find that angle theta. You have to find the angle theta in between them. So what is the angle? That means it form when it tips means this one. It describes an arc of length 21 centimeter. Understand? So yes, applying the formula here. So you know about it, since r is equal to, sorry, theta. Theta is equal to L upon R. L upon R. Yes, put its value. So that is 21 upon 75. So it will cancel out from 3. Na? So 3 7 ja, and here you have 25. So right, 7 upon 25 radian. And yes, that is your answer. No need to, that is simplifying, that is completely and waste of time. That be wastage of time. So that is your answer. 7 upon 25 radian is your answer. 7 upon 25 is your answer. So in the same way, let's by using the same formula, just I dictate you a question, you trying to solve it, yes, and prompt what is your answer. Okay, yes, note it. Note that question. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60 degree, central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of 75.4. Yes, 75.4 centimeter. 75, or sorry, 37.4. Sorry, beta. 37.4 centimeter length. Yes, note it. 37.4 centimeter in length. Yes, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here you have to find the radius of circle. Length of arc is given. Angle theta is given, but that theta is given as 60 degree. So what you do in that case? Means the formula theta is equal to L upon R is applicable whenever theta is in radian. But here you have given angle is in degree. So first of all, you have to convert that given theta in radian. Understand? Then applying that formula and trying to find the value of R. Okay? Yes, and tell the answer quickly. Okay. So I discuss Yes, anyone solve?
35.7 centimeter.
Yes, very good. Yes, correct, beta.
So 35.7.
Yes, it's correct. Okay. So just listen. Theta is given 60 degree. 60 degree. So first you convert that theta in radian. So that is equal to pi upon 3 radian. Means here you multiplying 60 degree by pi upon 180. So it becomes in radian. So that is pi upon 3 radian. Okay. And the value of L is also given. L is equal to 37.4 centimeter. Yes. So applying formula. You know it. Theta is equal to L upon R. So R is equal to L upon theta. R is equal to L upon theta. So that is equal to 37.4 upon value of theta pi upon 3. So that 3 is in that is numerator. Now putting the value of pi. So 37.4 into 3 into 7 whole divided by 22. And here 37.4 can be cancelled out by 11 here. So 11 2 ja. Yes, 11 3 ja. So you have 3.4. Yes, cancel it. That be 1.7. That be 1.7. Okay. And 1.7 into 3. So you have 5.1 and into 7. So multiplying it. So 7 1 just 7. And here you have 35. So 35.7 centimeter is the radius of circle. Yes, note it. So 35.7 centimeter is the radius of circle. So here you see that whenever the theta is given in radian, and you have to form that is that question is like that you have to find only a known quantity out of these three. So you have to check it. Yes, your angle is in radian or not. Na? If it is in degree, so first you convert it in radian, then applying formula. Okay. Yes. Note next question. In a circle of diameter, 40 centimeter, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter, is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of a circle. Find the length of minor arc of a circle. Here you have to find the length of minor arc. So what you do in that question? First you read the question and draw the figure accordingly and check how you find the length of minor arc. Diameter is given and the length of corresponding chord is given. Okay, just see. Here you have a circle and a chord is given. Suppose chord AB is given of length 20 centimeter. The length of chord AB is given as 20 centimeter. And here you have a center. Okay. So if you join OA and OB, so no doubt this AB arc is your minor arc. This AB arc is a minor arc.
Yes, yes.
Just wait. Sir, my book to the So here you see, and the diameter of the circle is given 40 centimeter. So its radius is 20. So here you have 20 centimeter and OB is also 20 centimeter. Now, triangle AOB,
Triangle.
equilateral triangle. So you can say, yes, this angle theta is what? 60 degree.
60 degree.
60 degrees. So if theta is 60 degree, so that is in degree na 60 degrees. So in radian, its value is pi by 3. In radian, its value is pi by 3. Okay. So theta is pi by 3. You have to find the value of length of arc. That means L is to be found. Radius is already given. Yes. Only you have to find the value of L. Okay. But there is no any information given for pi, which value is to be taken here. So don't confuse about it. Yes. Write your answer in terms of pi. Okay. Yes, write your answer in terms of pi. If the question in
20 pi by 3.
yes, 20 pi by 3 is your answer, correct? Yes, good. If here you applying the formula and in question there is no any information about pi, so you have to write it as it is. Okay, no need to putting yes value of pi is 22 by 7 and yes your that is the numericals becomes complicated. No need to waste on time for all that of question. Understand? Yes, only you have to express that in terms of pi. So your answer is what? 20 pi upon 3. Yes, correct. Okay. Yes, so in the similar type of question, just I dictate you. Yes, note it. A circular wire of radius 3 centimeter is cut. A circular wire of radius 3 centimeter is cut and bent so as to lie along a circumference of a hoop. Yes, note it. Along a hoop, HOOP, along a hoop whose radius is 48 centimeter. Whose radius is 48 centimeter. Find the angle in degrees. Find the angle in degrees which is suspended at the center of the hoop. Find the angle in degrees which is suspended at the center of the hoop. Yes, that is your question. Okay, trying to solve. Okay, just listen what is given in your question. Here you have actually two circle. Here one circle is of radius 3 centimeter. And the question is, yes, here it is given 3 centimeter is the radius of that circle. And a circle is of radius 3 centimeter is cut. That we cut off, understand? And that complete wire is to be bent along a yes hoop. Suppose here you have a hoop like a structure, and here that is the center of that hoop. So the complete entire circle is to be bent along the hoop of this wire. So suppose here you cut it and stretch and bent along this one. So suppose here you have AB. So you can say that that complete length of AB is same as the yes circumference of this circle, which is 2 pi r. Which is 2 pi r. That means if a radius of circle 3 centimeter is cut and bent along this given hoop, so and bent along this one, so no doubt this length of AB is same as the radius, sorry, circumference of circle of radius is 3 centimeter. Understand? Now, what is other information given? Yes, the radius of hoop is 48 centimeter. So yes, join it. So this radius capital R is given as suppose 48 centimeter, and here this R is taken as suppose a small r.
Sir, pi by 16.
This R is given what? Pi by?
Sir, pi by 16.
No.
16.
No. So you can say that yes, here you have to find this angle. Here you have to find the value of this angle, and suppose that angle is taken as theta. So as per given information, you can say that yes, the length of arc L, that is AB, is equal to 2 pi small r, and here we take small r as 3 centimeter. Understand? So if you put it there, so you have 6 pi centimeter.
Sir, pi by 8.
Yes, correct. Yes, convert that in degree as per question. Pi by 8, convert it in degree. So L is equal to 6 pi. Understand? So here you have L is equal to 6 pi and capital R is given as 48 centimeter. So applying formula for theta, so you can say yes, theta is equal to theta.
45 by 2 degree.
What? 45 by?
11.25.
Yes, 45 by 2 degree, and that can be also written as 22.5 degree. Yes, that be correct. 45 by 2 degree is correct, and that can be also expressed as 22.5 degree. Yes, correct. So you can write it in this way. Yes, theta is equal to L by R, L upon capital R. So L is 6 pi, and your radius is 48. So you have pi upon 8 radian. Pi upon 8 radian, and convert that in degree. So what you do? You have to multiply that by 180 upon pi. Yes. So pi upon 8 into 180 upon pi. So pi and pi is cancel out. If you that means cancel it by, yes, it will be cancelled by 4, na? So yes, 45 by 2 degree, and that can be also written as 22.5 degree. Yes, write it in this way. That be equal to 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree. Okay. So I shared you an assignment that be based on only the angle measurement of angle today. Okay. That be only based on measurement of angle. Okay. So you're trying to solve, and yes, tomorrow we have to discuss about the same topic, that is measurement of angle, of the remaining questions from the assignment, or here we solve by the another question which we help you to solve the questions of assignment. Understand? So today just I shared in your group the assignment based on only the measurement of angles. Okay, you're trying to solve in your fair copy, and yes, actually the trigonometry that is chapter is vast chapter. There are so many information which I share to you step by step, and also we have to practice the question step by step also, because if you are saying yes first, if I deliver